It felt like we were waiting forever to get to the point where we could finally make the move out to the property. And so that time came on week number 11 of building our mountain farmstead. So if you've been following our series, thank you. And sorry I'm late getting this to you, but we've just been so busy. I haven't had time. We are internet free for the most part. We have a little bit of data on one of our phones, but I'm not doing any blogging from our land. So I put things together and we go into town and post from there. But I'm really excited to tell you guys, we made it. We're on our own piece of land. We're done with the rental home. We're living in a little 8x12 power shed while we're finishing up the home. So this little tiny place I'm going to show you today is going to be our new home, probably for the next 4 to 6 months, we're guessing. So no plumbing, but there's electricity, thank goodness. Next week, we'll be back with building details and how the house is progressing. But honestly, this past week, it was just all about moving, cleaning, and settling in this tiny little space. My man's done an amazing job at making it livable, and I'm actually very excited to be here. So I'm going to give you a peek into what our last week has been. Here's our shelving all the way around, starting with the door, some good overhead. We've got some lower stuff. We've got counter and little shelves down there, and over the windows, over what will be the bed. You can see it's just ground down there right now. This thing is so tiny I can't even get a good video. And then of course there's the master shelf where all the canning stuff, and right now a whole bunch of junk is thrown, and then we're back to the door. That's it. This place is tiny, but it's really efficiently set up, and I am looking forward to living in it because it just slows everything down. When you get in a tiny space, you can't go and do the things you normally would be doing, the house cleaning, the organizing, I can't even have guests here. So it's really just us. It's really going to quiet things down, and I can't wait for that. I'm so looking forward to the quiet and the stillness, reading, knitting, doing some simple, quiet things, and just resting. Where you're from, a good home cook needs lots of spices, and we brought them. There's the bed. Alright, you want to show us your bed couch contraption?
Not the smoothest work in the world. Hanging up on now. Kinda works.
Yeah. Our bed and our couch if we need the extra space. You just pull that cord and it lifts the back. Nice. All right. All right. Now, it feels like we're in the middle of nowhere in one sense when we're in this tiny little home, but But the truth is, we have neighbors just outside the windows. This place is tiny, there's no privacy, and so I am whipping together some curtains this morning. We're gonna get them up. We'll have them open most of the time, but we do need some curtains. All right. Two little sets of curtains in front of the window. So we thought, because when we found out we bought the property, we opened a jar of peaches. Now that we're having our first supper,
It's only appropriate to have another jar of peaches.
so that's what we're doing. You do the honors?
Maybe. It's juicy.
Peaches. They're so good.